Hello everyone, welcome back to Sniffle Souls. Today I have had a milkshake for breakfast and it made me happy. So I've got 2 flasks left. I've got to kill this guy. Boom, boom. And come down here. I'm not sure if I want to go down all the steps or just go onto that bit, but there is a wooden ledge over there that I just spied out of the corner of my eye on the side of the screen, which may or may not lead somewhere else. No, it doesn't look like it does unless you can get in there, but I don't really want to try it. So, we'll come down here. Ooh, I didn't see you earlier. You can die. As can you. I said as can you. Oh god. Evil magic of doom. I'm just gonna run back up here. You know, I might need to put that iron flesh thing back on again. Fuck it. So you can roll through them. No flasks. Damn it. Oh, cool. I've never noticed that. There's actually a drop of Estus come out. That's cool. What's through here then? Oh, your eyes are alight. You look more evil. Okay. I'm assuming this is an ambush. No? Is there any way to get anywhere? Without just jumping off the edge? Because that will probably end up killing me. Ah, stairs. That makes sense. There are a lot of these people down here. I am so boned. I hope there are no mages. There's one there. Great. Literally the exact thing I asked to not be there. Right. I hope this doesn't backfire. Well, it exploded in my face, but it doesn't hurt me, apparently, so that's something. I don't like that we can't throw it very far. Ah, you abyssed me, bitch. For fuck's sake, and I've got humanity to get back, so gotta get back there. Gotta get back there. Gotta make it, gotta make it, gotta make it back. Oh, we gotta get back there. Gotta get back there. Ah, good old onion helm. Oh, onion. He came and we did save him. Unless we didn't, I don't remember. But I think that we killed his daughter. If so, I'm sorry about that. If not, then why haven't we saved his daughter? We really should have done that. Guys, cease and desist. Oh, I forgot about you. I'm gonna lose that humanity, aren't I? I'm surprised I'm still alive, but I'm still alive, so I've got to try and thrive and survive. Note to self, because they die faster, does not mean that you should one-hand your weapon to one-shot them. You must still remain careful. Caution is key. Because you can sometimes one-shot them anyway. Hang on. What was that noise up here? Weird. It's just here. Strange as hell. Well, I guess I'll rest up again. Then go kill them slightly more cautiously. How much is that doggy on the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? Oh, I do hope that doggy's for sale. Used to have that on a audio cassette. But still, my favourite audio cassette has got to be The Elves and the Shoemaker. Because holy hell, did that entertain me for ages. Though, I will also have to admit that the audio cassette for Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, I said that strangely, Azkaban, yeah, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, on, or just the audio, I can't remember who it was who read it, but holy hell, that was ace. Whoa, dude, no need to crab. I wonder if you can actually just roll onto that. Or into that. And save time. I'm assuming something you can do, and I'm assuming something speedrunners do, but I'm also assuming it's something that I would fail at and just die. Kinda want another milkshake now. But it has to clean my room first. Oh man, I was hoping I'd get round here before that occurred. Okay, now heal up and prepare thyself. Damn it, caster. Die. Okay, now I've got one heal. Kind of. Look at the wall. It's so dying. You know, I'm kind of hoping there's going to be a Game of Thrones to Dark Souls crossover. Where the others / White Walkers. By the way, I'm going to say Game of Thrones, though I mean the books as well. The Song of Ice and Fire. It's just, it's easier to say Game of Thrones than it is a Song of Ice and Fire. That is all. Guys, you gonna... Thank you. Where did you come from? And heal. Is there another caster over there? It looks like it. Ah, fuck's sake. Right. As I already have a humanity, I may as well just use one to heal. Oh, I already had two? Holy hell, this place is like humanity area. Is this an illusion? No. Okay. I'd get pushed off there, I'm sure. No? Okay. Not gonna complain about living. You can die. Block. Roll. Ow. And okay, now we've cleared this little bit. How does one get that down? Do you need a bow? Oh no, you need to get up there. I need to heal again. Oh man. I guess I should really, like, kindle that bonfire. Given the difficulty of what's been going on, and the fact that I do technically now have enough humanity to do it. Unless there's another bonfire in here. Oh, is this that shortcut? Please, Lord, have this be that shortcut. I'll be so happy. It is! Oh, that's amazing. Oh, man. That is so good. Because now I can just come up here. I'm going to kindle it. I mean, I know that means I'm going to be, like, wasting probably 2, but it's better than wasting 3. Because there's got to waste the one that takes me to human, and the one that's left over when I'm, like... But yeah, no, I don't want to warp, I want to level up, but I don't have enough souls quite. Understandable. Now then, I don't think I actually need to kill all of them now. I only really need to kill this guy. Then I can probably run past the others and onto the thing and be alright. Because I'm assuming they're going to follow me and I'll just get their souls. Or they won't follow me and I'll be alright. Oh, that's the point. I need to send that back up. Just in case you can't call it. Now then, no mages can see me, right? Unless there's any down here. Oh, saw ya. Oh my! You put me in quite a sticky situation here. Oh, and there is a mage. I just saw some abyss fly towards my general direction.
Why is there so many of them in the same place? I know that's why it makes it difficult, but still, it's not, it seems, oh no, this is not something I like, no, it's bad for my build.
Hui. Hui. Speaking of my build, on my sorcerer guy, I'm thinking about trying to farm a Silver Knight sword. I'm just not sure if it's worth it to do that. Anyone care to let me know? I will appreciate the info. Hello there, darling. Oh, that only did 399. It would appear I need to level up my weapon. Level up, repair, even, my weapon a little bit more. Bye, guys. Okay. We will find a way to murder some fools, yeah. Oh no, there's 2 mages. That's not good. That's very much not good. How am I meant to get through that? You know what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna bitch mode it again, just like we did Artorias. Because bitch mode can get you through anything. Maybe not some things, but a lot of things. Yeah. Do 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 do. Let's do this then. And I suppose we may as well put that one in the second slot. Hang on, I'm actually going to do a quick test to see how well bitch moding works. Boom. How much damage do you do? Oh, that's good. Next to none. Can you... Oh man, the sprint feature doesn't even make you walk quick. But I do like being shiny. It reminds me of another game I've played. I think it was one of the games that I played with like hacks in it. You could go shiny. And that was one of the hacks. Okay. Now I've also got to test it against the Abyss. So I'm gonna come down here. Kill these two. Do a little bit of healing. Come down here. Activate this. Oh, that's fair. It does like a reasonable amount of damage now. I think. I'm gonna heal up just to be sure. Abyss me, bitch. Yeah, that's an understandable amount of damage. Still high, but it's not like two-shotting me. Which I prefer. Am I slow? Does it actually slowly do it? Oh no, it doesn't. It does. There's like 2 phases, I think. Alright. I know I've only got the 1 iron flesh left now, and the 6 flasks, but I just want to see how it goes, you know? Actually, I'm going to go to full health first. Then I'm going to come most of the way down here. Grab them. Use this. Go to shield, go to two-handing. Kill that. And that. And keep walking. Then heal up. And see if I can make it to the next bit of cover while still in iron flesh. Boom. It's gonna end soon. It is ended. I'm poisoned. I'm not sure why I'm poisoned. I'm assuming it's this bitch's fault. Nice tentacles in your mouth. Do I have any anti-poison things? Yes. Now I get to switch back to the better armor, which isn't quite as effective, but, you know. Do this, do that. Look about me. Why do they have no heads? And what is this? Wow, it's like a mushroom beetle thing that's fucking me up. I'm assuming some form of prisoner. What a drop. Leather gauntlets. Okay then. Right, I'm back to being out of flasks because of the way I did this. Is this calling something down or something up? Something up. That's mildly worrying, but I do have my homeward bones should I need them. very dark here. I'm glad there's a bonfire. I hope this is one that you can warp to, because I kind of want to warp away and see if I can find Mr. Hawky guy. It's very dark. I'm thinking I'm gonna need a ring soon. Perhaps a ring of Artorias. Ooh, hello. I missed. Can you stop running away, please, and just die? Thanks. Tabe. What the hell? Oh, hello there. I'm gonna do this. Oh no. And I am dead. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna assume it's one that I can warp to. I'm gonna warp away. And yeah. So you can warp to the Ulasil Township, which is this. Ah, no, it's not going to let me warp here, because this is also in the Ulasil Township, innit? Because you don't get the thing until you come this way. Fuck. It's not going to let me warp there, which means I'm going to have to go back through the thing again. Oh well. In that case, I'm going to kill these bastards up here. Don't I just look so cool? I'm trying to think of what that other game where you're all shiny is, but I can't. It's not appearing in my mind. Alright, I'm gonna see what's over here first. Maybe I shouldn't have iron fleshed so soon. Oh, they're charging their laser. Unless that's just a drop. Looks like it was just a drop. They're a fire in their laser. What's the drop? A dark bead. Hope it was worth 10k souls. Oh, hang on. Is that what I think it is? If so, then it's definitely worth 10k souls. Not to my character, but in general. Sorry about the eating, by the way. Whoop. Oh man. Perhaps a human soul is closer to matter in its humanity. Dark bead. Damn, that's good. But yeah, go here. Oh, there's a chain on the floor that I was sitting on. Interesting. Yeah, that's going to wrap this up. Thank you for watching. And let me know what you had for breakfast. Goodbye.